Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to secure your Kiwi browser from hackers and online trackers. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Kiwi browser. So I'm going to simply click on here. Then have you open up your Kiwi browser. Next thing you need to do is to come to the top right there. Click on these three dots from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and go to privacy and security. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then make sure you turn on always use secure connection. Turn on this button right here. And with that, you have secured your browsing experience from hackers or online trackers with Kiwi Browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.